kilos too heavy. Really cute bodysuit. You're doing it wrong. This is the package. 2 Laing eyelashes. Wait, is that all I got for myself? All the proof in the world. Okay, it's time to start packing. It's I don't even know what to say about it. We're just gonna start packing. This is everything that I actually went with in December. So I'm just gonna unpack the things that I don't want to go with and leave the things in that I do want to go with, and then put in new things that I know that I want to go with as well. So I think I should be done fairly fast. Yeah, I don't think it'll take that long. 30 minutes later and the house looks like this. It's not hours later and this is how it looks. I feel like I didn't really do much. I did end up rolling a couple of things that I know for sure that I want to go with, and I still need to figure out the makeup that I'm going to go with, and I need to wash some brushes, so that is going to be very interesting. I know that I'm not going to wash them when I get there. I'm going to be way too lazy, so I really need to do that. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Hopefully I can get this done today so that tomorrow I don't have to do any packing. Like maybe just add some stuff, you know, that I'm using throughout the day, but I really don't want to pack too much more. Today is Friday and I just finished up on doing my hair. We're gonna leave to go to my house and do some last minute shopping. That's all I have to say, right? I know I'm rushing because you have to leave quick. You're not zooming into my face, are you? I didn't do my brows. I know you're zooming into my face. My face.
It is pinkish, but I'm gonna pull it off.
It's more salmon. Salmon is like a color.
Salmon is a fish.
No, it's like a salmon color.
No, salmon is fish.
Yeah, like the color of the fish. That's why it's salmon. I can't say the word now. Anyways, we're in Primark. We're in Primark right now, doing some last minute shopping. We have a whole list of things that we need to buy. I overheard that okay, we have a whole list of things that we have to buy, and I actually overheard that you can't return anything, so I'm kind of freaking out because I have at least like 16 euros worth of stuff that I wanted to return, and we're not gonna be back here for like 3 months, so if I don't return them now I won't get my money back, so I'm freaking out about that. I like that red shirt too.
That's enough house clothes.
Okay. That's house? Those look very nice for like outside even.
Get me out of here.
Okay, come, let's go. Okay, we're now in the train going back home. I didn't really get to vlog a lot like I wanted to because it was just like a whole rush. It's now 6 o'clock and we still have a lot to do. I have to add the new things that I got in the suitcase, and I still have to shave my legs and I have to do my nails, so I still have a pretty busy night tonight. I want to put like some curlers or something in my hair so that the curls could look pretty for tomorrow. I mean, it doesn't have to, but I don't know, I mean, if it's possible, why not? I also need to figure out what we're eating today because we still have to eat something. I don't know who is coming over tonight. I think that some people might come over and sleep over because it's a lot easier to go from our place to the airport. So I think some people might sleep over by us, and yeah, that is it. Hello.
Sure.
I said hello. What are you doing here? Look at how much space there is. Why don't you sit somewhere else? Yeah, sorry, I have a boyfriend. I can't. You're doing it wrong.
Hmm?
You're doing it wrong.
Doing all wrong.
I said I have a boyfriend. You're supposed to show me.
I didn't hear that's what you said. Just some else?
Yeah, the whole point is like you come in, you see me, you're interested in me, and then you try to come at me, and then I say, look, there's so much space, look at where you can sit. I love you, know. Okay, it's now I don't know what time it is. It's a little over 6. I would say maybe like 6:30, maybe 45, I don't know. We just got home and we're about to wash dishes. I still have to do a little bit of packing. One side of the suitcase is like done, like there's nothing going to fit there anymore, and then the other side is just everything thrown in it that I know that I want to go with. So I still need to do that. I am I think that's all. Okay, no, that's not all I have to do. I still have to shave my legs, I still have to do my nails, so it's a good bit of things that I still have to get done. I also want to, because look, I like the way that I curled my hair, but I found these today, or not today, I think it was last night, well today, this morning. Anyways, I found these and I was like, well, I think I want to try this so that I can kind of have like a control of how my hair curls the day after, because it's still wavy, it still curls, but sometimes I just don't have a control over it. So instead of just holding it up in a bun, I want to try these, and I'm gonna go with these as well. There are these like roller things, but then really soft, so you can just like roll it up like this. So I want to try it. I think it'll work. I've done it before with my natural hair. That was a really long time ago. Anyways, what was I going to say again? I want to open the Huda Beauty package real quick so that we can see what that looks like. I know for sure that I'm gonna go with it because like I cannot just not go with a makeup remover, you know. Ooh, I got another one of these. I have so many of these bags, it's not even funny. I have a yellow one, like a pastel yellow, and I think the other one is green as well, but that's just like a backpack. It's really cute, but I don't really use them, so I might just have to like give these away or something. I don't know. It's cute though. Anyways, this is the package. Oh yeah, okay. I'm a little nervous about the she came out with a silk lip gloss as well, and I'm not gonna be here, so I need to figure out like who could maybe you know, like get the package for me somehow. I don't know. Oh, this one feels so much better. The other one that I got from the first launch, which was the enzyme scrub, was really tight, so it was like super tight over my head. I have a pretty big head, but this one feels a lot looser, so I'm happy about that. Ooh, this is cute. We have a little towel, but then in a mint color, a mint green, and then here we have the product. So this is the Wishful Clean Genie Cleansing Butter, and this is what it comes like. I don't know if you guys can see that. A little hologram, and then just a bunch of information over there. I'm definitely taking this with me. Ooh, this is so pretty. Green tea extract malash. I don't know how to explain. I don't know how to say that word. And cherry blossom. Let's see if it smells. Oh, it smells super soft. I like that. Okay, this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm not gonna use it yet. If you want to see how I feel about this product, you're gonna have to wait. I don't know if I'm doing like a dedicated video or if I'm just like incorporating it in a vlog. I still have to think about that. Okay, really quick, you guys have to see this. So that side right there is already done, and this side is where I just threw everything in that I want to go with, and then I checked out and I had 22.3, I think it was, and I'm allowed to go with 23. kilos. So the couple of things that I bought today are hopefully gonna fit in there, and we'll just make the best out of it somehow. Maybe some stuff have to come out, I don't know, but I'm gonna rearrange and make it look good now. Don't mind the mess in the background. I know it looks really crazy. It was really nice and clean this morning until I had to get dressed and do my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rearrange the things that I know I want to go with, and basically just pick and choose to see what can actually stay, because I'm sure some things could just stay, you know. This is very stressful. I bought some things. Wait, I want to show you guys what I got from Primark. So I bought my mom 2 books, which are very heavy, so I don't know how I'm gonna do it with these books, but I don't know, pleasing your mother, right? I got this top. I actually have this in black, and everything that I got is from Primark, by the way. This was €4, and I got this right here. And the reason why I got it is because I like the black one already, and I really love to wear white. I like white a lot more than I like to wear black, so I wanted to get a white one. So yeah, I did. I also got this really cute bodysuit. I hope it fits me. If it doesn't, I'm gonna just have to give it away, because I'm not trying it on today. I'm not doing everything, or I mean, I'm not doing all of that. I got this in a size small, and this was €6. I really wanted it in white because I love, like I said, I love to wear white, but I couldn't find it anywhere. And then when I left the store, I actually saw it at the jeans aisle, or like the jeans area. I got this in a bigger size because I got a size 38, which is a UK 10, and it was just a little too like fitted and tight, and I didn't like that. So I got it in a size bigger and a little more like whitewashed, because they didn't have the one that I really wanted in my size. But I love like that mom jeans look. I mean, I don't know why, I'm just very into that right now. So I just decided, you know what, I'm getting a little more just whitewash one, because they have that in my size, and that's just what we're gonna go with. I'm not even gonna try it on, because it literally makes no sense for me to feel bad about it not fitting. We'll figure it out when I get on Aruba. If it doesn't fit, I can always just put like a belt on or something, you know. But the other one was just way too tight. Okay, this is my boyfriend. He got some stuff for just to wear in the house. Wait, is that all I got for myself? Wait, I got these earrings. Oh, this is all I got for myself. Oh yeah, and I got these as well. These are just nose strips. I like these a lot from Primark. They work really, really good. Pull everything out. So I wanted to get a couple of these. There's like 2 in 1. So I got 2, which is then 4. These easily could go in like my backpack or something, so that's fine. And I got these really pretty earrings. I don't know if you guys can like see that. The lighting is so bad. I don't even know why I have that there. But they're really pretty, and I thought it would look nice with the bodysuit because the color matches really good. So I don't know, I guess that would be one outfit that I'm going to be wearing more than once, because I mean, I know I have enough clothes, but I know that I don't have enough clothes to take content in, you know, like cute and exciting new stuff. I don't have that. I'm basically going with the exact same clothes that I went with in December, and those clothes were already not very like ooh content worthy. So yeah, it's gonna be a very interesting 3 months of content, if I do say so myself. All of these are my boyfriend's, so I don't really have to show those. It's a little boring, just some plain shirts. I think I'm gonna just put on some YouTube and figure out the situation right here with the stuff, because I want to be done with packing everything in the next hour, so that all I have to do is eat some dinner. We're ordering food, export like everything out of my SD card so that I can vlog tomorrow, you know, have a little traveling during a pandemic vlog. And yeah, just relax. I am so tired. I'm so exhausted. My body feels so tired. I don't feel mentally tired, to be honest. I'm very excited. But yeah, I want to get this over with, especially the traveling part. I know it's gonna be a lot of fun, but I just want to get home. And once I'm home and my maleta is in my room, then I know I'm going to be good. And that's all I really want. Okay, so I think my suitcase is done now. I have a couple of lashes that I'm actually going with, so that some of my Aruban followers can actually buy some. I don't have a lot at all. I have 2 flamingo lashes. I think I have about 5 epiphany lashes. Oh, you can't even see. 2 flamingo lashes, 5 epiphany lashes. These are Paraíso, and I think I have 5 of these as well. No, I think I have 4. Okay, so I have 4 Paraíso lashes. I have, I think, maybe 3. Okay, no, I have 4 Agiba lashes, 2 Whitehaven lashes, and let me see, 2 Lanakai lashes, and this one is Agiba as well. I don't know. So I just took a couple. I don't want to do too much. 2 of them are actually my mom's because she deserves some good lashes. So I'm going to get her the Epiphany and I think a Lanakai because I think that'll look good on her. Nothing too dramatic. And then the rest is just for me to sell and yeah, gift to some friends. I'm currently binge watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians, and all of this is actually just gonna go into my hand luggage. I don't know how. Oh, this can't go in my hand luggage. This will have to be in here. I think I did like the maximum. Hopefully this is 23. Hopefully. If not, I'm gonna have to take stuff out, and I don't know what I'm gonna have to take out, honestly. Okay, this is now 25 kilos, which means it is 2 kilos too heavy. I don't know what I'm taking out of it, but something needs to come out because my anxiety is like out of this world right now. I think I have it all figured out now. My big suitcase is 23 kilos at the moment, and my small one is, I don't know how heavy that one is, but I don't think it's that heavy. I have to print out a couple of papers because we just want to be extra safe and make sure that we have like all the proof in the world that we need so that we are allowed to travel. So I'm gonna print everything out, and then I still need to, or at least we still have to do the kitchen. Yeah, I'm vlogging. We still have to do the kitchen, and I need to just like export all the files and get my SD cards ready for tomorrow, and I still have to do my nails. Bye. I did end up taking off my nail polish, but the last thing that I'm going to do today is actually apply them. So I still have a good hectic night. It's now 11 o'clock and I'm going to aim to go to sleep at 12:30. So still a long day. Really long day.